What's up? Welcome to our channel. And ito ay bagong vlog. And for today's content, we'll be talking another quick 5 quick and easy tips. Before we get into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below ng red and the bell button para ma-notify ka every time na ako i-upload na video. Now, sa tanang mga nag-subscribe, thank you so much. And sa mga wala pa, subscribe na taon mo. So please, subscribe. I'll be happy seeing na nagkadaghan ng subscribers as time goes by. So thank you so much. So, mao na to siya, no? You may be in a period now wherein kinahanglan nimo mag-move on or gusto na nimo mag-move on pero sakitan gihapon ka. Sakit gihapon. So, I'm giving you now the 5 tips para dali maka-move on. Number 1, think him or her as an ex. You may not be able to see and appreciate this thinking once you do this, but I know it'll work. Remember, guys, that moving on starts with a mindset, a clear mindset. Moving on starts with a thinking that you deserve to be free and you too deserve a break. Bisan unsa pa man nakasakit. Brand X. So think him or her as Brand X. Brand X, walay lami, kulang, leading. In short, think him or her as wala na siya pulos sa imong kinabuhi. So, no need for heartaches. So, mura na siya Brand X, wala na pulos, dili leading, tsaka na, wala na believe, delete first, and etc. Number 2. Number 2. Basagin ang baboy. You may be able to relate this one pag ikaw ang klase nga tao nga nag-save or nakakaialakan siya. Basagin ang baboy meaning wala na time dapat para mag-save ka og mga heartaches og mga aligot-gut sa imong kagalingon. Buwa ka na ilabay na no to saving of heartaches, deserve nimo nga malipay and etc. So set yourself free and basagin ang baboy. Ayun na pag-save mga memories ninyong duha. Kay masakitan ra ka. Say no to saving of heartaches. Huwag nang impok ng mga bagay na nakakasakit o masasaktan ka lang. So, but it doesn't mean that you'll need to throw things kung sa yung gihatag sa una, mga letters, pictures, teddy bears, mga books or usapan or anything na yung gihatag sa imo sa una or anything na mag-remind sa imo, but you need to stop saving unhealthy memories with your ex. Number 3, explore new things or mga bagong butang. Kay dili naman mo bagay, so ayaw na i-explore ang mga habiling na feelings nimo para sa yaha. Igo ra ka masakitan. Discover new things, explore ang mga bagong mga possibilities, discover new people, mingle with them, and mga butang nga layo sa iyaha or magpa-remind sa imo ha about him or her. Remember, you don't need to enclose yourself with the pain or with the memories ninyong duha na medyo sakit or happy kay sa una pero sakit na kayo karon. You have the escape plan, I know. You have the escape plan. No, hindi pa man ka magawas. You have to know that it's time to stop the pain. It's time to explore new things. Number 4. Isa sa mga tips is give yourself a break. Remember guys that moving on is synonymous to me time or self time. Now it's time for you to to have a break of the shitty things in life, and you have to focus, regenerate, regain what you've lost sa manawala, or start anew. So you have to take a break from those pains na mo, and by that you can actually move forward. It's about moving forward. It's not about staying. It's about moving forward. So take a break from the pain. Number 5, and for the last tip, be open for possibilities. You know, this is very self-explanatory, but new possibilities, possibility of new relationship, or kung dili need, ayaw lang sa, or possibilities of going somewhere, or finding new people, or bagong mga butang na pwede nimong explore. Bagong mga butang na pwede nimong i-try, or wala pa nimong na-try before, or gusto nimong i-tagay chance. So, kana, be open, be welcoming for any possibilities nga mohabot, or adventures that nasa imong way. Moving on is actually a decision, and ikaw ra mismo ang makadecide na kung ready na ba ka or magstay pa ba ka. So that's it. 5 quick and easy tips. 5 quick and easy tips that I'm sure dili lang kato ang mga tips na pwede nyo gamiton. So for your comments, kung ako may mga suggest ng mga tips, just comment down below and let me know sa inyong mga tips saon para dali maka-move on. I know there's no shortcut to anything, labo na sa pag-move on, because it will surely take time. It will take time, I know. And it will take courage, bravery, and pamadiha in order to do that one. But I know you're strong enough, and I know that you can move on. It's exo na. Napay mas bago, or napay mas deserve ni para sa imo. Ay napagstay sa mga taong muhawa. Sa mga taong mubiya. So, kaya lang. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kung wala pa mo ka-like, or i-like din siya, or click the subscribe button. Thank you.